Okay, great. In this video, we're going to see how exactly we can book a domain name. Now, there are various websites where you can book domains. You have got your GoDaddy, you've got your Bluehost, and other websites. But I personally prefer crazy dot domains.in and then hosting.india.to and bigrock.in. So mainly I prefer, these are my personal preferences. Okay, mainly it's a easy renewal, and they don't sell off your domains if you miss out on renewing the domain and etc. So I prefer these websites. Okay, so now without wasting any time, let's go ahead and see how exactly we can book a domain. Now just for the sake of example, I'll just write down a domain name here. My first website.com. So let me see if this domain name is available. I'll just search it here on crazydomains.in. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, it's showing that my first website.com is not available. It's saying that sorry, your domain name is registered. You can back order this domain and it will help you acquire it. Okay, fine. Now back ordering is done when a domain name is already booked, and if somebody does not renew it, as soon as it expires and gets deleted, you if you have back ordered it, you will get the domain. Okay, so now please don't get confused here. The domain name is not available. The domain name myfirstwebsite.com is not available. It's just giving you an option to back order it. Generally we do not prefer to do that. Okay, because it's rarely happens that you get a domain name while you back order it. The next one here is let's say now they've given an alternative, myfirstwebsite.org.in for 2 years, 350 rupees. So since I'm just explaining for the sake of example, we can just go ahead and book this domain. In other cases, you can just take a call on the extensions that you are looking at. Okay, here, so now my domain name has been added, plus they've added a Linux hosting as well. So they've added it for free, plus they've added two free premium stock photos as well. Okay, now this offer is available with crazy domains.in, and that is available for the hosting is not available for the entire year. Unfortunately, it's only for 3 months time, but definitely it helps if you are just starting to build up your website. I will be covering about the hosting in the next video, so probably you can ignore the hosting part in this thing. Okay, next I'll just click on go to cart. When I do that, I'm seeing the cart here with whatever I have booked. Okay, and it's showing me how much I save. This is what they do normally. So this is for 3 months. It is available for free. If I opt for 1 year, it is charging some 1800 this thing rupees. So now the 3 months thing is gone, but any which ways you can just remove it from your cart, and they will just give you the 3 months thing. Next is pay securely. We can just click on pay securely, and the video will proceed. Now here we have got two options. We can sign up using Facebook or log in using Facebook, or we can also sign in if we already have an account there. So just in case if we do not have, we can just click on sign up, or maybe log in with Facebook, and we can create our account as well. Okay, once this is done, so let me just quickly log in with this thing. Once this is done, in fact the last step would be to make the payment, and you can just review your order and make the payment. Let me just see if we can just log in, sign up here. Okay, it is asking me all the information about me, the address, etc. It's personal. I'll just click on continue the order. No, it is asking for the phone number. Okay, great. So you can just enter all these details. When you're actually doing it, you can enter it. This is for the purpose of demo, so I'll not be entering my address, etc. And in fact, I can add a dummy one which is there, but that's fine. And I'll just enter and select the country as India, state as Maharashtra, and number I'll just add a dummy number. Okay, I'll just enter my dummy number. How many characters it is? 1 2 3 6 7 10. Okay, and we'll just continue. And we are done. Now it is asking us to add some more add-on things like make your domain faster, list your domain. You can list your domain found by India and get found. So mainly if you want some additional services, this is offered by all the hosting and domain name companies. Okay, but this is totally optional. You just need to make sure that these are not added by default to your cart. If they are added, you can just click on the cross and make sure they're removed. Unless you need anything, make your domain faster. We do not want that thing right now at this stage, so we'll just click on continue order. Okay, the last step is to pay and activate. So mainly we can just pay with whatever suits us. So we can add a card, Visa, Master, MX, or we can pay using the PayPal account as well. So that's it. In your case, you can just make the payment, and you'll be sorted with the entire thing. This is how you do it on crazydomains.in. The next website is hosting.india.2. I love their support. They've got an excellent support, which is email support which they have, and you can follow the same steps like we did in Crazy Domain. The only thing is that here they have the domain search at the bottom here, so we can just search for myweb.com. I'll add some numbers. We'll see the domain is available already. I click on search, and by the time it loads, just wait. Okay, this one thing I don't like about this website is they will ask you to again enter the domain name here, domain search. So I'll just enter that again. My first web 1 2 3 4 5, and then the captcha, which is a bit of irritating at times, but yeah, they do it for their good. So okay, we'll just add .com here to make things simpler, and we'll just click on that thing, search. Okay, yeah, it is available. Congratulations, is available. We can add to cart. Now there would be a slight difference when you compare it to the pricing of the hosting.india.2 and the crazy domains.in. Okay, so you can just keep a note of those things. Here it will be slightly expensive, but their service is very good, so I definitely recommend them. Okay, here we can simply just add to cart and checkout. It's going to be the same process as we did in the crazy domain. This thing, if we want some additional services, we can protect our ID protection would not make your ID visible in the whois.net information. Email forwarding, all these things, the email forwarding can be done using your hosting, so you need not worry about that. Name servers, we'll talk about this when we are talking about the hosting plans. So name servers is nothing but it helps your domain name to connect to the hosting. where your website files are actually placed. So mainly it helps redirect your domain to the IP address of your hosting. So whenever somebody opens a domain name, it actually is pointing to a hosting with an IP address, and the files are being fetched from there. So it's more like a name server acts as a glue between the domain name and the hosting. Next, we just continue and give our details, and we'll be able to book this domain. Similarly, we can do the same thing on Big Rock as well. We can just type the domain name, whatever it is, my web 12345, and I'm adding all these numbers out of purpose just to make sure that we get the result. Here you can book any kind of domain from .org to .in, .store, and .org, .in, .name, .info, etc, etc. So whatever names you want, you can just select it there, and you can buy those domain names. My recommendation would be that if it is available, if you're looking at a normal level, even if you're looking at the India level, .com is a good option. In case you don't get .com, you can try with .in if you're looking at India's perspective. Okay, and same here you can just click. It will ask whether we want 2 email accounts. We'll uncheck this thing. If we want it, we can just click on add, and we can add it to the cart, and it's gonna come up here. We can add the domain names for whatever years we want to. Okay, here it's asking for 2 emails account, but definitely we don't want to add that at this stage. And then they've added the tax amount as well. So if you're from India, you will want to pay tax for hosting.india.2 as well. So let's say when we just click on continue in this domain, it will add some taxes to this amount. So this is not the final amount. There will be 18% GST attached to it. In your Big Rock as well, they're going to attach the 18% GST in this case as well. Okay, if we just change it, it's come to around 200 rupees, which is okay. Protect my contact information, we don't do that. Okay, so see, if you look at this option, this was something which was added additionally by them by default. So we just need to be careful while we are booking our domains. Here best part of crazydomains.in, it's an international website. So if you're paying any amount, you do not have to pay any GST or Indian taxes which are applicable. Great, that is there from my end. Let me know if you have any doubts or questions with regards to this video. You can drop in the comment, and thanks. Keep watching.